Very good morning to all of you guys. Rahul Prajapati this side, and thanks for tuning into Morning Market Brief. So let's start with the analysis. So if we see the SGX Nifty first, तो यहाँ पे एक almost 100 points का gap down दिख रहा है आपको, right? Market is trading near 17,750. Okay. Now let's come to the technical chart of Nifty. So if we see that from the past few days we have seen a small correction in Nifty. उसके बाद से निफ्टी ने 17,650 के आसपास सपोर्ट लिया इन द लास्ट ट्रेडिंग सेशन एंड इट केम अप, सो दैट्स अ गुड बाउंस बैक. So market is as of now facing a resistance around 18,000. Then these are all levels, on the upside we can see that all are, these are the important levels where like 18,200, फिर उसके बाद 18,400 and 18,600. So ये सारी levels हमारे लिए resistance का काम कर रही है, and we are not so far from the all time high. So today could be a gap down. So if that after that gap down, market should come up because again the structure seems to be positive. So that's not an issue. So we can see where market can take support after that. तो OI में देखें निफ्टी के स्पेसिफिकली, तो यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. In the last trading session we have seen a short covering move, and for past few sessions we are just seeing the unwinding. Okay. Now come back to this level. So on the higher side, if we see immediate resistance जो है हमारे लिए वो 18,000 का है. Okay, 18,000 is the first resistance that we can face, and after that 18,500. So on the higher side we can anticipate these two levels if market moves up. Okay, and we have seen that 18,600 is the all-time high near that level. Okay, on the lower side if you see, we have seen good addition on 17,800 and then 17,700, 600 and 500. All these levels are shown a good addition. So these are all anyhow working as a good support for Nifty, right? Coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, so Bank Nifty, if you see again small correction and then started taking support at 37,000, near 37,000, and started going up. So on the higher side we are facing a resistance around 39,000 in the Bank Nifty specifically. On the lower side 37,000 is a support. So that's a kind of a range that we are facing as of now. Okay. We'll see this. We'll also see the smaller levels for Bank Nifty also, but that's a broad range that we're facing. Not a specific sign from OI from the futures. If we see here, we can see on a bit micro perspective we say. So we can say that 37,500 is a good support for market. We have seen a huge addition yesterday, almost like 9 lakhs. And on the higher side, 38,000 and 38,500. So these are the levels we can see on the higher side. So this is a good support as of now for Bank Nifty, right? Okay, now let's check अगर top gainer or loser check करें. So in the last trading session, we have seen Chola Finance going up, Syngene and Grasim. And then on the lower side, RBL Bank, Trent and Cipla. So these are the top losers. Let's go to the contribution. So last trading session, FMCG added up a good, oil added up a good, and private banks. Okay. Lower side, we are only seeing the IT, right? Specifically. So if we see here, we can see that private banks are adding on the long side, telecom adding on the long side. Then we can see the cement is also adding on. So we have seen Grasim went up. So this is also on the long side specifically. On short side, we are seeing only IT, right? So let's come to the first stock, that is the first stock is Conpol. So if you see that the stock has given a breakout 2 days before, and then we have a just a correction after that, just after the breakout, right? So probably it could be a trap on that day, and then from this level again market started going up. So this is where the stock took support around 690 and it started going up again. If we see Concor here, so Concor is basically showing us a good long unwinding from past few sessions, and OI level is also increasing on the higher side. If we see Concor here, सो ऑन द हायर साइड अगर हम देखें तो 720 का जो लेवल है दैट इज फेसिंग अ रेजिस्टेंस और उसमें अनवाइंडिंग भी हो रहा है. So that is where we are the consensus we have for a resistance. So if that 720 breakouts, we can anticipate like 750 and 800 level on the higher side after that. Stock turns out to be positive from here. Okay. That's the first stock. Second is Indus Bank, IndusInd Bank. Okay. On the IndusInd Bank, you can see the stock was consolidating and it's about to give a breakout. It's on the verge of breakout, right? तो यहाँ से एक अच्छा मूव आने के चांसेस दिख रहे हैं स्टॉक में एंड कुड बी काइंड ऑफ डबल टॉप इट्स मेकिंग सॉरी डबल बॉटम इट्स फॉर्मिंग हियर राइट. सो यहाँ से साइड मूव ब्रेकआउट के बाद आना चाहिए इसके अंदर. एंडरसन बैंक इफ यू सी तो स्पेसिफिकली कोई ऐसा कुछ ज्यादा इंक्रीज नहीं है वाई में, बट स्टिल वी आर सीइंग दैट लॉन्ग बिल्ट अप कमिंग अप इन द लास्ट फ्यू सेशंस. एंड यहाँ पर अगर हम देखें वाई के अंदर सो एक ही लेवल है जहां पर सबसे ज्यादा ओपन इंटरेस्ट बना हुआ है दैट इज लाइक 1000 का लेवल ब्रेकआउट होता है तो वी कैन सी द स्टॉक माइट मूव अप वेरी इजीली. ओके एंड ब्रेकआउट पर ही है तो 1100 1120 30 levels we can easily anticipate on this stock after that. So just keep an eye on this stock and you can see a breakout coming up in this stock, right? Okay, so IndusInd Bank. Now if you go to the ban list, so we have one stock which is trading in a ban list now, RBL Bank, right? That is the first stock of this month which actually trading in a ban list, right? Okay, now let's come to the summary part. Okay, so for Nifty facing resistance at 18,000, 17,800 and 17,700 is a good support. On the higher side, Bank Nifty 38,000, 38,500 might be a good resistance, and support is at good, very good support at 37,500. Huge addition on the put side, and built up on the sector side is private banks, telecom, and cement. IT showing a short built up specifically. The first stock Concor is again looks good after a breakout, right? And it's also shown a correction. 720 के ऊपर we can again go and think for a positive side, right? This stock looks positive above 720. 700 is a good support. Second is आपका जो है second stock is IndusInd Bank, right? Okay, तो 100 के लेवल पे ब्रेकआउट भी है चार्ट के अंदर भी, सॉरी 1000 के लेवल पे चार्ट और टेक्निकल लेवल्स के साथ साथ डेरिवेटिव लेवल में भी जो आपका कॉल रेटिंग हो रहा है 1000 के लेवल पर हो रहा है. सो इसके ऊपर वी कैन सी एन ब्रेकआउट कमिंग अप, राइट? 960 would be good support in this, right? RBL is the first stock which is trading in a ban list. Okay, so that's all from my side, guys. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.